What if the most alien landscape in the cosmos is right here on Earth? We have far better maps of the moon than our own ocean floors. Over 70% of our planet lies buried beneath crushing oceanic depths. In these silent depths, light never penetrates, and pressure is immense. For centuries, people believed this abyss was just a barren wasteland. But modern submersibles have completely shattered that ancient, mistaken belief. Beneath the surface lies a wild domain of strange and bizarre geology. We find hidden rivers, deep volcanoes, and thriving coral forests. These deep systems survive without a single ray of warm sunlight. Gigantic chemical engines shape these dark marine landscapes over millions of years. Today, we dive deep into the abyss to find 10 incredible secrets. Prepare to explore a hidden world that few humans have ever witnessed. First, we discover the colossal chimneys known as black smokers.
These towers form along massive tectonic fractures deep within the crust.
Seawater seeps deep into the crust, heating up to extreme temperatures.
The fluid shoots back out, reaching temperatures over 700 degrees. Packed with heavy metals, this fluid darkens as it hits cold seawater. Dissolved minerals crystallize instantly, building towering structures over many years. These toxic vents support alien life, powered entirely by deep chemical energy. Next, we find actual lakes and rivers flowing along the ocean floor. These unique bodies of water are known to scientists as brine pools. Their water is up to 5 times saltier than the ocean above. This extreme density creates a perfectly visible boundary that never mixes. Waves ripple across these deep underwater lakes, mirroring land environments. They act as highly concentrated chemical traps, preserving ancient, unique organic compounds. It is a bizarre landscape, where water flows beneath water in silence. We also discover brilliant cold water coral gardens thriving in absolute darkness. Unlike tropical reefs, these corals live in near-freezing temperatures. Without sunlight, they cannot rely on microscopic algae for food. Instead, they capture organic matter directly from sweeping deep ocean currents. Some of these slow-growing deep coral colonies are thousands of years old. They provide a complex refuge for many rare and undiscovered deep-sea creatures. These gardens represent oasis zones of rich biodiversity on the seafloor. Deep within the plains rise bizarre structures called subsea mud volcanoes. These domes erupt slow, thick mixtures of cold mud and gas. Methane gas escapes from the deep interior of the Earth's crust. Under high pressure and freezing temperatures, this methane freezes into ice. This unique substance is known to scientists as methane hydrate. These frozen gas deposits line the craters like massive energy reserves.
They lock away massive amounts of carbon safely beneath the sea. Vast expanses of the seafloor are littered with dark metal spheres. These are polymetallic manganese nodules, rich in precious, valuable elements.
They grow at one of the slowest rates of any geologic process.
It takes millions of years to grow just a few millimeters. Dissolved metals in the seawater slowly settle on solid debris. These fields contain some of the largest metal reserves on Earth.
They form a unique, delicate habitat for specialized deep-sea organisms.
When a massive whale dies, its body sinks to the abyss. This tragic event creates a spectacular biological oasis on the barren seabed. Specialized deep-sea creatures gather to consume the massive supply of nutrients.
The decomposition process occurs in distinct ecological stages over several decades.
Bizarre bone-eating worms feed on the lipids hidden deep inside bones. These microorganisms break down the hardest structures to sustain life.
A single whale fall can support a thriving community for 50 years. It is a beautiful example of how death sustains deep-sea life. Along volcanic rifts, we discover unique rock formations called pillow lavas. These form when molten lava erupts directly into freezing ocean water. An outer glass crust forms instantly as the hot lava cools. More lava pushes through the skin, creating bulbous, rounded shapes. Over time, these stack up to form vast underwater mountain ranges. They preserve perfect geological records of our planet's tectonic movements.
It is a dynamic landscape, forged by fire beneath the deep, ice-cold water. Deep in the Atlantic lies a field of towering white chimneys. This extraordinary hydrothermal zone is famously known as the Lost City. Unlike black smokers, these vents are built through chemical serpentinization. They preserve perfect geological records of our planet's tectonic movements. This process precipitates calcium carbonate, creating massive white limestone structures. These white castles have been active for over 100,000 years. Scientists study this field to discover how life first originated on Earth. We also find massive, flat-topped underwater mountains rising from the plains. These colossal geological formations are known to scientists as oceanic plateaus. Millions of years ago, these were active volcanic islands above water. Erosion from surface waves slowly flattened their tops over long eons.
As the Earth's crust cooled, these plateaus slowly sank deep underwater.
Today, they stand as silent, submerged monuments to ancient Earth history. They remind us of how the planet's surface is constantly shifting. Our final discovery takes us into the deepest place on Earth. The Mariana Trench plunges nearly 7 miles down into the crust. At the bottom lies the Challenger Deep, a world of crushing pressure. The weight of the water above is equivalent to 8 tons per square inch. Yet, even here, we find bizarre life forms thriving against all odds. Gelatinous snailfish navigate these freezing depths in complete, utter silence. This extreme frontier shows that life finds a way in any environment. The ocean floor remains one of the final unexplored frontiers of Earth.
These 10 amazing discoveries prove how dynamic and active our planet is. Every deep-sea expedition brings back new geological and biological mysteries. As exploration technology advances, the abyss will continue to amaze us. The bottom of the sea holds keys to our planetary history. But which deep ocean discovery did you find the most mind-blowing today? Subscribe for more incredible science journeys and keep exploring the wonders of Earth.